Hi guys, who are you and what do you do?
How you doing? My name is Zach Looney. I'm the STEAM coordinator at the Mississippi Children's Museum.
Alright.
That's why we're here today, just representing the museum and offering some activities for children ages 3 through 7 mostly. That's kind of the core of who comes to us. So just offering them something to do at this Hattiesburg Maker Fest.
So where are you guys from?
We're from Jackson, Mississippi.
Jackson, Mississippi. Okay, cool.
That's where we're based out of. So we have submarines going on. We're making little coin purses here, and then we're coding for our robot friend Dash on this side.
Hi Dash.
My name is Conquer3d. We are here at the Maker Faire for City of Hattiesburg, and I work for the City of Hattiesburg as a sustainability officer, and one of the jobs that I have is manager of the recycling program. Today we are here promoting the recycling for the city, and we're hoping that we get a lot of people to come out and to sign up for recycling. And some of the things that we have are some examples of things that can be recycled. And this is a bird feeder that basically comes like this little package. And take it apart, and you just basically screw it onto the bottom of a 2-liter water bottle, Coke bottle. And we're also giving away these little planters with the happy smiley face.
Yeah.
And these are made out of recycled plastics. And inside it's got a seed packet and a little soil pellet. You put water on this and it expands, and then you put the seeds in there.
All right, looks cool. Thanks for showing us it.
All right, thank you so much.
Hey, my name is Chase Chatfield. I'm from Vancleave Middle School in Vancleave, Mississippi, and I got lost and had some stuff in my van, and that's why I'm here.
All right. So it looks like you're here with the Fab Lab. What do y'all do over there?
Well, our Fab Lab is sponsored through Chevron, and it helps us bring maker stuff into our schools, into our community. Be able to reach a group of students that want to create but don't have the means to, whether it be financially or location-wise, and be able to integrate technology with hands-on stuff that a lot of them already do in our rural area.
All right, cool. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
robots from the Oak Grove Middle School STEM Club, and here we have one of our robots, which is an elephant, and I have a program right here that'll make it like move around and like move its trunk and stuff. So, okay. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Just a second.
Oh, it's alive. Whoa, look at it go.
We're not sure what to do with the legs right now because they're kind of messed up.
That was awesome. Thanks.
Okay, my name's Lisa Kemp.
I'm Andrea Clark.
And we are proud Glowforge owners.
There's the Glowforge.
Laser. Yeah, you caught us just at the end when we're packing up right now, but I think you have some footage from earlier. We made a bunch of puzzles, cut a bunch of puzzles for kids. So they seemed
popular.
Yeah, they seemed to really enjoy the coloring part, and then oohed and nod while the Glowforge cut out the puzzle pieces. So it was pretty fun. It was a good day.
So it was a big hit?
Yeah,
Seemed to be
yeah,
a
I
big
think
hit.
so.
Not quite. I think there are going to be a lot of Valentine's Day gone wrong. I think some people are overestimating the appeal
Of a laser cut
Valentine. I just don't see it myself.
Maybe.